Since 1979, the Kenya Medical Research Institute, better known as KEMRI, has stood as the silent sentinel of East African health. What began as a national mandate has transformed into a regional titan of biomedical science. From the humid coasts of Kilifi to the lakeside labs of Kisumu, KEMRI's specialized centers form a web of defense against the world's most lethal pathogens. Today, under the leadership of Acting Director General, Professor Elijah Songok, the Institute is no longer just studying diseases, it is engineering the future of African survival.
Our greatest asset has been our scientists, our human resource. We have highest concentration of scientists who have PhDs in this region and who are very highly dedicated towards research. Our role in outbreaks and containing epidemics is very critical for the country. And we are proud of that we can be able to be here to support the country whenever there is an outbreak, an epidemic, or a pathogen that is of national threat or international threat.
For decades, Africa has imported the vast majority of its life-saving shots. Now, KEMRI is leading the charge to produce 60% of Africa's vaccines locally by 2040.
The support that you have been getting on vaccines from institutions like Gavi is ending in 2027. We have to actually do our own for our sustainability. So that has given us a push that we need to be able to get into this vaccine space as soon as possible. And we have taken this in KEMRI as a top priority, especially right now with our formation of biovacs. We are involved currently in a new initiative that, imagine, if there is going to be a future outbreak of infection X, what will KEMRI do? What will the country do? We are working with the idea that there is going to be other outbreaks like COVID. We are working with other partners on an issue called the 100 Days Initiative, whereby we can be able to have a diagnostic or a vaccine for anything that is new within 100 days.
This isn't a distant dream. It is happening now. KEMRI is currently overseeing Phase 1 clinical trials for TNX-801, a groundbreaking single-dose vaccine against mpox. By partnering with the Kenya Biovacs Institute, KEMRI is ensuring that when the next pandemic strikes, Kenya won't be at the back of the global queue.
We seek to use modern science and biotechnology to discover, develop, and improve tools and strategies for disease diagnosis, prevention, and management. We also seek to improve understanding of biological processes of disease vectors. This includes issues such as interactions of pathogens and the vectors, as well as the hosts.
Biotechnology serves as the part of understanding the genetic makeup of either a pathogen or the genetic makeup of a microorganism, so that we are able to also isolate or maybe do a screening of this pathogen by looking through the genetic makeup of this pathogen.
KEMRI's track record is written in the lives it has saved. They were the architects of the RTS malaria vaccine trials, the first of its kind to be scaled up across the country. They were pioneers in PrEP research, protecting thousands of discordant couples from HIV. They developed the first rapid diagnostic kits for hepatitis B in the region. Whether it is tracking a cholera outbreak or identifying a new strain of Rift Valley fever.
Some of the research that KEMRI is doing through our team is to support elimination of the disease as a public health problem, so that we don't have people developing this disease anymore. This is aligned to World Health Organization, WHO, declaration that all member countries should put in place efforts to eliminate the disease.
KEMRI's rapid response capacity is the backbone of universal health coverage in Kenya. As we look toward the future, KEMRI's mission has evolved. It is about more than just research. It is about innovation, technology, and manufacturing. It is about a resilient Africa that provides for its own. From Nairobi to the world, KEMRI remains the heartbeat of African medical excellence.
Our range of engagement spans primary schools, secondary schools, but now we also have university engagement. Within the university engagement platform, we mainly interact with them through the Young People's Advisory Group. This is a club where young people are able to come and discuss science, critique the work, or critique the concept, or just generally give their views. So it's an opportunity to give young people, to involve young people in science by giving them a platform to have their say about the work that is affecting their lives.
This facility is one of the facilities that can help this nation in case of medical emergencies that will require the use of health product and technologies, such as diagnostics and medicine.
We have given a priority to research and innovation, which is our core business. Looking at the new innovations coming through, the new research fronts that we are opening, the new partnership that we are opening, this will significantly boost the position of the Institute as a world leader in human health research.